4 words that put a smile on every Indian's face. Ek pe ek free. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, I'm heading to Kodini, the village of Ek pe ek free, also known as the village of twins. It's a tiny little village tucked up deep inside the Malappuram district in Kerala. There are about 2,000 families here and about 220 sets of twins. For every 1,000 births in Kodini, there are about 45 twins, and that is insane. We are with the vice president of the Panchayat, and he's going to tell us more about how are there so many twins here, how are there triplets here. हमने ऐसे सुना है जहाँ से हम आ रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे twins हैं. क्या ये सच है?
हाँ सच है. ये तो अपन का पंचायत का ये 7 वार्ड का वही एरिया है. हाँ. कोडिंग एरिया. इसमें ही वो ज़्यादा होता है वैसे.
Approximately कितना pairs होगा इस रीजन में?
इसमें more than 400. इसमें भी 3 भी है. 3 जोड़ी और 4 जोड़ी 3 भी है.
4 जोड़ी भी है?
हाँ अच्छा. इसलिए गिनेस रिकॉर्ड है ये.
It's still a big mystery. Apparently people from scientific conventions have come here, taken samples of the water, taken samples of the soil, but nobody knows exactly what the reason is.
कुछ दिन बाद चैनल के इंटरव्यू में डॉक्टर बीर था. हाँ. उसने बोला ये क्या टैपियोका है ना. टैपियोका में क्या अपन मलयालम में बोलेंगे कप्पा बोलेंगे. टैपियोका खाने पे ऐसे ही होता है करके.
I even got some more stats and figures from the vice president of the village panchayat. I think I'll go to the local school to see how they deal with this confusion. Just as I expected. The school is shut, obviously it's 5 p.m. The kids have gone back home. I guess I'll have to come back tomorrow. My hunt for the twins is still on. They let me into the school today, but the crew was asked to stay out. The headmaster had allowed me to take one camera on the condition that I don't talk or interact and only observe the school of twins. And I thought going to the same school as my brother was bad, but imagine being in the same class for 10 years or forever or 12 or whatever. We've just barged our way into Dr. Shri Biju's office to know more about this phenomena, about this village that we are in, which is full of twins and triplets.
We had done a survey in 2011 where we could find around 260 pairs of twins. Wow. And the eldest one was around 75 years. No one could point out a particular reason for why this twinning is occurring. Basically, the twins can occur because of 2 reasons. That is, something inside the body is causing it, which has been transmitted from families to families, generations to generations, what we call it genetic. It could be the water, what they consume. It could be something in the sand. So, twinning has a lot of hazards. Who is carrying twins. And also, a baby which is born as a twin has also a lot of adversities, so they are more prone to have a lot of congenital anomalies, birth defects.
We're going to meet Hassan and Hussein, our young twin brothers.
നമ്മൾ 10 വർഷമായി ഇവിടെ ജനിച്ചിട്ട്. 10 വർഷം ഇപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് 20 വയസ്സ്. കേൾവി കുറവാണ്. സൗണ്ടിൽ പറഞ്ഞത് ഒന്ന് ഉച്ചത്തിൽ വെക്കും. ഡോക്ടറെ കാണിച്ച് പിന്നെ 16 വർഷം ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞ ഓപ്പറേഷൻ. 21 ആയില്ല. 21 അടുത്ത ജൂണിൽ 21 ആണ്. ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ ജൂണിൽ അടുത്ത കൊല്ലം എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരുമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ഞാൻ 10 കഴിഞ്ഞ് നിർത്തി ഇപ്പോൾ മെക്കാനിക്കിനാണ് 4 കഴിഞ്ഞ്. ഇപ്പം ബേക്കറി ജ്യൂസ് മാസം പറഞ്ഞ വെള്ളമാണ്, കാറ്റാണ്, കപ്പാണ്, അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞേക്കണത്.
It's not easy being a twin, but Hassan and Hussein make it look really easy. I guess they're best friends first and twins later. What's interesting is what makes this village of twins. Is it the food? Is it the climate? Or is it just genetics? I don't think anybody knows. But I've decided to take a souvenir back anyway. Is that tapioca?
Tapioca.
Can I pull it out?
Pull it.
No problem.
No problem.
That is insane. 1, 2, 3. According to a couple of people that I just met, this little white thing could be the reason behind all the twins in this village. Now all I have to do is find a beautiful wife. Waiter, food मजे what else?
ഫുഡ് കപ്പ ബീഫ് കറി ബീഫ് ഫ്രൈ കക്കയിറച്ചി പന്നി താറാവ് പൊടിമീൻ വറുത്തത്
सब लो. I'll eat everything. I have a message for all my friends back in Bombay. Your life sucks because you wake up in the morning, think about the drive to work, think about the bumper to bumper traffic, think about the potholes, the crowd in the bus, the chaos, the madness. Over here we have no such problem.